Well, hello, Robert Heffernan with EndoTech, and this is Blockchain Vitals. I've been on vacation for a week, and welcome back, Robert Heffernan, Master Endotechnician, now in the Matrix. The Matrix gave me a little colder flu bug in the Mississippi Delta, but I'll deal with that. Listen, follow us on Twitter at EndoTech_IO, and I am at HFR from the floor. As I said, Blockchain Vitals, and I do this on a daily basis, talking cryptocurrencies, soon to be talking most anything tradable. So look forward to that in the next week of us putting together some midday reports on all things tradable, just about all things tradable. We're going to hold off on the equities for just a bit, but we'll be fully delving into FX and commodities coming soon. Let's do the rounds. Doing the rounds, my chance to talk about something I'm seeing in the space in the asset class. And let's go right to it. This was the headline from CCN today. Billionaire Tim Draper slams paranoid Jamie Dimon, doubles down on $250,000 Bitcoin price by 2022. First thing you want to notice about this is Jamie Dimon is trying to sell him 50. That's what we do on the floor. That's 50 right there, 50. And he's selling because his hand is away from him, right? So I'm not sure if he's trying to sell Jamie 50 at $250,000 on that price. But the interesting thing for me on this was the reasoning, and you know, reasonings need to be sound. But if you reason, his reasoning here is that all these engineers have to create all the things that are going to make it really easy for us to spend it and to use it and to remove it and to build it into our contracts. And once all that is done, a 5% market share of all world's currencies would put Bitcoin's price at $250,000 per, just to grab a 5% stake of the world currency market. Anyway, I like the reasoning, but let me just tell you something. Going to $250,000 per Bitcoin, that's going to be one incredible ride if that does materialize over the next 3 years. And I am going to be very happy to be trading in the space, mining the mo the whole way. Anyway, that's what I'm seeing. You know what? Let's take the vitals and talk price action because it's been a week since we have. So let's jump into the vitals. Taking the vitals, it's that blockchain vital sheet available every day to EndoTech subscribers. And we're blasting a YouTube here today, and I'm going to cover the top 4 today for YouTube. Bitcoin right now trading 52.89, just out of up mono on the daily. So we've spent several, you know, if you count them, the count's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About the 11th day that we would have been in up momentum if they could have held it today. Slightly below it, so you got to mind the mo here. If you have good profit in Bitcoin, I would be very leery being long here. You know, that's a long, several days like that. And if you actually, there was probably 5 days before that they were in up mode, just before that explosive day. So taking profit's not a bad place to be. And on a retracement here now, we got to look at some of the weekly levels. And a full retracement to that weekly momentum level is 45.25. Keep that level in mind. 45.25 full retracement on to that weekly momentum level. Now that we have come out of upmo on the daily, that's the type of level I think we could go test, and a level I would love to partake in for an entrance. Ether right now trading 175.16 at Bitfinex, 175.16. Also out of upmo now, and all of these, it's kind of rewind play. If you look up and down the ladder here, XRP actually came out of upmo a couple days ago, couldn't regain it yesterday, and that upmo level and XRP 36.17. So again, let's look at some weekly levels. Ethereum up mo on the weekly 153.44. XRP up mo on the weekly 33.71. Last but not least, a Litecoin here for the YouTube crowd trading 87.09. 87.09, and it, like XRP, has been out of up mo for a couple of days on the daily. Yesterday, trying to regain it and not able to. So Litecoin on a retracement 70.50. 70.50 up mo on the weekly. Now, we had such an explosive week a couple weeks ago that that's the type of level, though, on a retracement that you want to be ready to participate in. All right, I'm going to say goodbye to the YouTube crowd. You need to be an EndoTech subscriber to have the full actionable content of the segment. And please go to endotech.io and subscribe. Thank you, YouTube.